Oh, Christmas tree. Tracy's frightened.
He just ran.
Last year I taped all of them. Try not to be. Last year I taped the whole thing, didn't I? And I put it on YouTube. Managing the fire, Alex. They're coming here. Move over there.
They start
You're
off
coming.
really weird.
Yeah. Did you hear that on my telephone? Then I'll go and watch them, honey.
Oh, no, look. Tape the whole thing now.
So if we did these little ones, yeah.
I'd say this one. Oh, I like that one. That's lovely. Sets the leaves on fire down the bottom. God problem. Now look, you can see them smoking. No, some of them have already just come down, and them ones.
You say that every year. Sorry, Carl. Everyone's going inside.
But
It's cold, isn't it?
it's lovely. Right,
Really
go on.
good pepper.
Well, you don't.
Why?
Carl's in a bit of a dangerous place.
That's not.
Oh. Oh.
Can you see them?
I think you get a better view of them. Well, actually saying that, it's no different really, is it?
On the hair. Oh, I got it.
Oh, it's fine with me. Just I remember seeing it on the news about a month ago, and I haven't heard anything since. Yeah.
Look, Paige.
I just wondered. I was expected to be somewhere on Monday.
The gaslight is coming out all day. Hey. Oh yes, big rocket. We had to cast the wheel once and it exploded. It was faulty.
Oh, I remember that.
It was faulty and
It was on that tree, I remember.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm gonna do. Hey, where's everyone going in?
no, if you stand by the fire, it's so warm.
Oh no, but you just sort of feel a bit.
Are there any more cocktail screws?
Screws?
Yeah, they're called cocktail screws.
Screws? Skewers, not screws.
Wow, I'm so mentally.
Your man thought that light was in Tracy's garden. I said, no, they're the street lights. Oh, right, these are the best ones. I want a good view of this. Oh, well, that's terrible. We'll have to go over there. We'll have to go over there. You stick?
Oh, did you miss the rocket?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it was so good.
I thought in case one goes wrong and we've got, look, hang on, wheel this for us so it'll go behind it. No, it's facing that way, we'll be fine. I was expecting him to go mad.
Huh?
I was expecting him to go bang.
I was waiting for the loud noise.
Oh, I think there's once a day.
I thought we were waiting till your dad came, Alex.
Yeah, but he's probably gonna like the big one. Honey's not gonna like the big one.
No, she won't.
And my phone is frozen.
Oh no, I videoed the whole lot last year.
I know why it won't work. I have gloves on.
That and screenshot them, can't if I want any photographs for I didn't
Nick!
What?
He's got that on record.
slip down.
Wait, what's
Oh,
the time? What's the time?
I don't know, just
Four. Wait, when it's 4.
whoa, 2 at once. Look at that. They're not very big, are they? We have got another box full, you know, still in there, so there is plenty.
What are we going to do with all the fireworks?
Oh yeah. What do you do? Trace does a lovely soup.
I was hungry.
Save this round, I think.
Right, we're going to have a back now.
Oh my god.
Right, careful then, everyone.
Please. Look, wait behind you if I were frightened. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I'm doing all mine through one.
Think of the money you're going to save on trimming the tree.
Hang on. Oh my god.
Two together, everyone.
It's on fire. It's on. Don't be daft, I wouldn't make them. All the smoke in the street. Burn shit out your neighbours' chips. You're black with the flames. Lovely crispy chips. I cleaned out the day for Friday the week. And you know, films, right? And there was a burnt chip that was like rocking there. I've been there ever since. Yeah. Right. Oh! Oh. I like that blue one.
No, 'cause that's what that one is. That's 8.
It just said I don't have enough storage.
I've got. See, my iPhone seemed to.
It said you can change it in your settings.
Yeah, that's what mine once said, but I just deleted a few stuff and then I was like. Right, Danica.
I haven't told
Another
you
one.
that I can use them, but
I noticed one of them earlier. Oh, that was a high one, wasn't it? I haven't seen you for the whole bloody night. Where have you been?
Inside.
What fun! Oh man, that way. I came a 4:15 today. No, not the gardener. It's out with the fireworks.
no,
That's
no,
all.
but you do.
Oh, the lawn, yeah. Just- Oh. So it's strange how when you're little, like you're terrified of like certain things. When you get older, you're not.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because you learn to rationalise all the fear, don't you? When you're little.
Well.
Look, all the smoke. Oh, you can't see it.
Is it me or did it sound a bit like a fart at the end?
I farted earlier and
I'm going to see Mum, I'll be too.
I would laugh if you farted and a firework went off.
hang on.
Would it? Pew!
I'm gonna go and move over here.
Oh, it's an old-fashioned black.
Got a shock there. Whoa.
More than I already was.
At least I wasn't there when that one went off, I tell you. Well, that was going mad.
No, I'm a bit worried about that tree.
Don't worry. Got the horse pipe.
There's a blossom tree. I don't want the blossom to get ruined next year. It'll be black instead of pink.
This is big, huge.
Big swing! Whoa! That was on camera. That was on camera.
I'm feeling left.
Mum, it's water inside.
Yes.
That's fantastic, that one. Oh.